In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill color in Canva. This is a quick and useful skill that can help you customize almost any design, whether you're working with shapes, text, graphics, or even the background of a page. Once you know where the color controls are, changing colors in Canva becomes very simple. First, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're inside the project where you want to make the change. This could be a social media post, presentation, flyer, or any other design format. Having your design open and ready makes it easier to immediately preview any color updates you apply. Next, select the object, shape, text, or page that you want to color. This step is important because Canva shows different color options depending on what you click. For example, if you select text, you'll usually see a text color option. If you select a shape or graphic, you may see a regular color tile. And if you click on the page background, Canva will show the background color option instead. Once your item is selected, go to the top toolbar and click the color tile. The label may vary depending on what you selected, but it will usually appear as text color, color, or background color. This is the main place where Canva lets you control the fill color of the selected element. After that, choose a color from the palette that appears. Canva usually provides a range of preset colors, which is helpful if you want something quick and visually balanced. If you already have a specific brand color or exact shade in mind, click. Add a new color and enter a custom hex code. This is especially useful when you need consistency across a project or want a precise look. When you've picked the color you want, click outside the object to apply the color. This lets you see the final result clearly in your design without the selection box getting in the way. If needed, you can always click the item again and try another color until it looks right. And that's it. That's how to fill color in Canva. It's a simple process, but it gives you a lot of creative control over the look and feel of your design. Once you get comfortable with it, you'll be able to make your Canva projects look more polished, on brand, and visually appealing in just a few clicks.